strings. Let us write string objects anyway. Here n is equal to integer dot parse int. Why parse int? Because we are going to use combination of numeric and string. Now instead of integer, what will come? String will come or not now? This is string. Now enter n strings. Whatever int is, that is converted into objects. Here new integer. New integer. S dot next line. New integer or new string? New string. Only wrapper class, this one. For strings, not needed. Display using old for loop. Anyway, this is common only. Using this one. Type of data is string. Container name is A only. The answer will come. Just I changed integer to string. Enter the number of string objects, 3. Enter 3 string objects. Java is simple. Java is secured. Java is multi-threaded, roughly. 3 strings now. Yes or no? Now, array is holding 3 strings actually. Array is holding 3 strings. Now here, program is demo string 2.java and this is output. I entered 3 strings now. 1, 2, 3 and display it. Now see how the object form will be there. Program 1 only, no? 2. Demo string array. Array. Right, look here. Now same flavor will come, diagram also. Anyway, you understood, but I'll show once, 2 minutes. See there? If I say n is equal to 3, whenever I say n is equal to 3, one reference created. This reference will hold three string objects. That's the meaning. Now, three string objects. Three string objects. One string object will hold. Java is simple. One string object will hold. Java is secured. Java is secured. Java is multi-threaded. Here two string method, you know already. Here two string method. Here two string method. Two string method. Now they are added here. Yesterday, that is on Saturday diagram is integer array. Now this is string array. One minute. One minute. Online students, can you hear me now? Right, okay. So based on this diagram assignment, so this is read multiple strings and display reverse of each string. Second one is write a program to read multiple strings using array and display reverse of words. What is the output here? AVAJSIELPMIS. Here AVAJSIDERUCUS. Here AVAJSI. Here DEVELOPEME. All of you understood the question? Assignment 3. Same similar flavor only. Write a program to read multiple strings using array and display reverse of words in each string, which starts with vowel. Which starts with what now? Vowel. If any word started with vowel, that you have to reverse it. If any word in a string starts with vowel, that you have to reverse it. Input. Java is one of object oriented programming language. Java is not complete object oriented programming language. What is the output now? In the first string, Java starts with vowel consonant. So don't reverse. Is very good. SI. One ENO FO TCEJBO. Next, DETNEIRO. You understood the question anyway. Okay, right. Dot, dot, dot. You understood the question? No, right. String tokenizer, you use it. String buffer, you use it. Like this, just idea is coming or not, you try. That's all. Tomorrow, immediately I'll give the solution. This will not, I will not postpone this. Like tomorrow, I'll write the solutions immediately. You try today. Today, 200% I'll give the assignment. Sir, we started not believing you, sir, at last. Right. Saturday meeting up to 10 o'clock. Not possible to upload. Right. Completed? Right. So try this. Same flavor, no? Just my intention is, I given diagram already. They are in string forms. Index value is there. Through index value, we can take a string. After taking a string, you can do some operations. That idea is coming or not, that is the assignment. To do that, already string chapter is there. Tokenizer is there. Joiner is there. That idea, from there, this idea coming or not, you have to crack check. That's the plan, right? Tomorrow I'll give immediately solution to you. Okay, right? Can I go forward? Right, okay. Array holding wrapper class objects. Array holding string objects. Array has to hold user defined class objects. Book objects, product objects, student objects, employee objects. It has to hold it. Now let me take one program, example program. Example program. Write a program to read and display employee, read and display multiple employee objects using array. Write a program to read and display multiple employee objects using array. Multiple employee objects using array. Okay. So here I'll take it. See there. I'll take one class employee. I'll take it. I'll take one employee.java. I'll take it. Why this? Right. I am taking one class. wasting time. Right. Employee, I'm taking one class. So the details I'll keep there once. So I want ID. I want ID. I want name. I want designation. I want basic salary. I want total salary. I want total salary. Okay, right. Now, whenever the object is created, I can load the data to object in how many ways? 3 ways. Using constructor or using object reference variable or using setter method. Now, anyway, I'll use object name to load the data. Okay, right. To display the data, I'm using a method known as toString method. I'll use it. ToString method available in the string class. ToString method available in the wrapper classes. I'm bringing ToString method into my user defined class. I'm bringing return return because return type is string, no, right? So return I'm taking ID. ID is a string or not now, right? On string plus symbol is what? On string plus is concatenation. Very good. ID concatenated with the slash t. Means ID added with the space, tab space. The tab space added with the name. The name added with the tab space. The tab space added with the designation. The designation added with the tab space. Tab space added with the basic salary. Basic salary added with the tab space. Tab space added with the total salary. So that is concatenated string. All in a single string now. Sir, basic salary is not string, no sir. Total salary is not string, no sir. So string will accept numeric data. Yes or no? So string will accept numeric data. Automatically, whenever you say return basic salary, automatically converted into string. So it is one concatenated string where we concatenated ID plus space plus name plus and so on. This is your employee class. This is our employee class. Now this employee class will have objects, no? Right. So based on the user, enter the number of employees. I'll start with the array. I'll go for main class. Demo array 3 I'm taking. Demo array 3 I'll take it. Here. Import test.employee. Import java.util. Enter the number of employees. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system.in. Now system.out.println print ln, enter the number of employees. Number of employees. Now int n is equal to integer dot parse int s dot next line. Y means we are going to read the combination of numeric and string. Now system dot out dot print ln, enter n employee details. N employee details. We are running the loop for loop. Array no, right? Array means index value no. Int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to n minus 1, I plus plus. In for loop, what is executed first now? Installation second, third, loop body 4. You are clear with that statement? No? Right. Okay. Now system dot out dot print ln, enter nothing but details of employee, details of I plus 1. Here 0 means what now? Employee 1 no. Yes or no? Na? To see that output bit clearly. Suppose if you see this program, enter the number of employees 3. 3 times came or not now? Employee 1, employee 2, employee 3. Under that, we are going to read the details. Employee ID, name, designation, what is that? Basic salary, total salary calculated based on basic salary. Like this we do. Okay, right? Anyway, the loop is running or not now? Right? Okay. Now the loop is running. Under this employee 1, see I plus 1 I took it because I is equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to 3 roughly, or less than or equal to 2. Okay, right? Now employee I plus 1 means 0 plus 1, employee 1 will come. Here system dot out dot print ln, enter employee ID. Right. One more point I forget it here. Now, whenever the size come, you have to create array, no? Yes or no? Right. Employee EMP is equal to new employee of n. Yes or no? Right. Whenever I is equal to 0 and so on, enter the employee details whenever you said now here. I must create object no A of I, not A of EMP of I equal to new employee. I must creating object. Object created with empty values, no? Yes or no? Created with empty values. After created with empty values, now here emp of I dot id is equal to s dot next line. How many of you understood this? You understood this, no? Right. Sir, idea not coming means I'll draw the diagram. Wait, 2 minutes I'll draw. First I'll read it. Now system dot out dot print ln, enter employee name. Emp of I dot name is equal to s dot next line. Let's start next line. Now system dot out dot print ln, enter employee designation. Emp of I dot designation is equal to s dot next line. Now system dot out dot print ln, enter employee basic salary. Emp of I dot basic salary is equal to integer dot parseInt s dot next line. Now total salary you have to calculate actually. Now emp of I dot total salary is equal to emp of I dot basic salary plus, like this. (0.93 F into emp of I dot basic salary 0.63 F into emp of I dot basic salary. Sir, imagination did not came, sir. You see there. I'll draw the imagination. How you ought to imagine it. Okay, right. So n is equal to 3 roughly. N is equal to 3. Whenever you take n is equal to 3, this reference will hold 3 employee details. Now, sir, we written the loop for once, no? Sir, what has been happened? I want to know, sir. This is the loop. This loop, what happened, sir? I want to. 1 minute. This is a loop. Observe it. Now I is equal to 0. 0 less than or equal to 2 because I entered 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So I less than or equal to 2. EMP of 0. Here I am creating one object. New employee, one object created. So above one program is there. Huh? Right. Here one object is created for employee. One object is created for employee. Zero x 2. One object created for employee. This employee is having how many variables now? Sir, 5. ID, name, designation, basic salary, total salary. Sir, ID. Sir, name. Sir, designation. Sir, basic salary. Sir, total salary. To display the data, we had toString method. So first, here ID is equal to null. Default value of string is null. Name is equal to null. Default value. Designation is equal to null. Default value. Basic salary is equal to 0 because int. Total salary is 0.0 because it is a float. At last we had toString method to display. This is one empty object created. And there is a line number 1. New employee, one object created with empty. Where loaded for EMP of I means loaded here. That address loaded here. 0x22. That is loaded here. All of you understood this up to here? Right. Now the object is ready with empty value. Now whenever I want to access that object, I'll access EMP of 0. EMP is a array name. EMP of 0 means EMP of I. That's a concept. So what happened now? Here, whenever we are loading the data here, EMP of ID is equal to S dot next line means the data is coming from the keyboard and updated here. ID updated here. name updated here, designation updated here, total salary, basic salary updated here. Now, when the basic salary updated, based on the EM paid of basic salary, I am calculating and updating. Right. Now the object is updated with the data. Sum A121. Raj SE. Basic salary some 12,000. Here some 32,740 something. All of you understood this? Like this, the loop repeats how many times now? 3 times. 3 objects created. That is the concept. So user defined class object now we are only creating anyway and loading. So this is like this, 3 objects will be created. Once the 3 objects created here, display it. System.out.println display employee details. Display employee details. I'll use extended for, no problem. Right. For extended for. Sir, extended for needs container name. Container name is EMP because array name is the container name. What kind of data available? Employee data available. Now system dot out dot println. One by one, the object will come on to k dot toString because I written toString now. K dot toString. All of you understood this? Right. See there. I will run it once. Enter the number of employees. I'll take 3. Enter 3 employee details. Details of employee 1. A121, name Raj, designation SE, sum 12,000. Details of employee 2, A002, and he is Ram, designation TE, basic salary some 17,000. Employee details of employee 3 now. Now A234, now REX. Roughly. Designation ME. Salary is 16,000. 3 objects are coming or not now? So array can hold wrapper class objects. Array can hold string objects. Array can hold user defined class objects. That only array. In Java, that only array. How many objects completed? 3 objects only now. After now you completed 3 objects, array can hold 3 objects. Among that, small practice needed on user defined class objects. Because in real time user defined product objects, book objects, customer objects, like this, that user defined class objects will be very high. So 1 or 2 practice. Anyway, strings very easy. One single word will come. Strings and wrapper classes. The 2 are for interview actually. In user defined, sorry, in project point of view, user defined classes. In interview, they will not ask this kind of questions. Very complicated, they will not ask. Anyway, you must do. Student marks are waiting now. Student marks assignment are given or not now? Yes or no? Now multiple students should come now. The total multiple students should come. Because first you have to analyze this program, whether you understood or not, you have to analyze it. Sir, once I understood the flower means, then multiple student details should come out. So this is the flower. I'll explain once again to you. So here, demo array3.java. This is one main class, and this is the output. Whatever the diagram I drawn, I'll present there anyway. Java, how many arrays are there? Means you must not say one dimension, two dimension. You must say array holding wrapper class objects is there. I'm speaking about practical. In practical, I'll use array to hold wrapper classes. I'll use array to hold string objects. I'll use array to hold user defined class objects. In normal any mock interviews or any other interviews, types of arrays mean that only one dimension, multi-dimension. But in real-time scenario, these three. In practical point of view, I can use array to hold like this. This is practical point of view. Theoretical point of view, two arrays, one dimension, multi-dimension. That you're practicing, no, that's point. Okay, right. Be clear in that statement anyway. See that program once. I took one class, I kept aside. So how many, what is the output you want? You have to write there. I want ID, sir, name, sir, designation, basic. Whatever you want, you have to construct one class and keep there. That's a technique. So remaining, you come here. Ask how many employees you want it. You can ask. I say 3 here. I said 3, no, right. So I created one array of size 3. Array of size 3 is internally one address created. That address will be setted with one condition. If you don't if you cross the condition, means what? If you add the employee more than the size 3, disturbance will come. That only the reference is added with one condition. The meaning. Because I am drawing diagram repeatedly. Because in Java different. The address added with one condition in Java, different analysis you have to do. Okay, right. Because I drawn 3 diagrams. Forcibly I drawn the string diagram. Observe, for document purpose I drawn one program and diagram holding integer object in the nodes, one string objects in the nodes, one user defined class objects. I want to keep some calculation, so I took this one. Okay, right. Now see there. Whenever I said n is equal to 3, run the loop for 3 times. Create one object first. We are imagining one empty object created at index value 0. On this index value 0, one object is there, no? So emp of 0 dot id. EMP of 0 means EMP means 0x11. 0x11 of 0. What will come now? 0x22. 0x22 dot id. This will come. So that is a point of analysis you have to do bit carefully. Like this, the loop repeats for 3 times. 3 objects are created and loaded. I am using X. It will be very easy to display, no, extended for when compared to normal for loop. All of it clear? Right. Can you practice? Multiple product objects, multiple book objects. That you have to practice. Tomorrow assignment, multiple student details tomorrow after few discussions. Today already string programs are there now. That 3 programs, this program and 2 more programs, printing, reading and displaying multiple products. Already product class program is there, no? Code, name, price, quantity. Book also same, no? Book, code, name, other, price, quantity. So these two programs, you practice and come based on it. Make it assignment. You only said no, sir. I want assignments, sir. Waiting. Friday, Saturday, you said no already. Write a program to read and display multiple product details using array. Why to see their faces in camps again? Mirrors will be there now. Write a program to read and display multiple book details using array. Similar, no? Similar flavor only. But you are organizing that for loop or not, you have to cross check. Similar flavor only. Today's program, sorry, this program, but whether you are imagining and organizing the for loop or not, you have to practice that and come. Tomorrow I'll write the solutions. After that, the student details. Student details will be tougher because subclasses are there. Observed or not observed? Right. Okay. Now see there. I'll run the above program once. I'll run one above program once again. See there. Once again, I'll run above program. I cannot take two employees. I'll take one employee. No problem. No. Right. Okay. Employee ID A111 Raj. Designation SE. Employee salary minus 12,000. Sir, minus 12,000. Who will work, sir? He is carrying home. How much he is carrying now? Minus 30,000 he is carrying. Condition needed, no? Yes or no? Na? Condition needed. So the condition, whenever you entered basic salary less than 0, again you have to repeat it. Again you have to repeat it. Right? For that, I am writing one condition. Where is that? Basic salary if EMP of I dot basic salary if is less than 12,000. Less than 12,000, 1,200. 12,000 minimum. Right. You must print system dot out dot print ln invalid basic salary. Invalid basic salary. See there what I am doing. I minus I am doing. I am doing I minus I am doing. All of understood this? Right. So below one, don't calculate anyway. B. Continue. Continue means what? I given continue, no? Right. So skip the below line. Skip below lines from iteration. Let us see. 1. Details of employee 1. A111. Name Raj. Designation SE. Employee salary. Minus 12,000. Invalid basic salary details of employee 1. Repeating, no? Actually, logic means learning all and going. When the situation comes, you must remember and apply. That's not logic. Logic means remembering the subject. That's all. For that degree not needed. If we take one 8th class boy also, we can train programming. But he has to remember the subject. Remember the subject. Whenever the situation comes, you have to apply it. That only logic. To remember the subject, what you have to do? By listening once, you will understand. After 3 days, you will forget it. Yes or no now? Dasara is coming. You will forget Venkatesh sir also. Somewhere I seen this person. Who is this person? Again, I must say, I must put a very board and come. My name is Venkatesh. Manasani is there. Maipati is there. I must write Venkatesh, Maipati, and I must travel it. Roughly. For this, situation comes to remember. Further, you have to read more. The technique is, whenever the time is there, you have to read it. Programs, you have to see it, read it. When a situation comes, you must remember them. That's a concept. Okay, right. Just I want to bring this, and I brought it because student class n number of conditions are coming. Observed or not observed? Our target is student class only. Student class, multiple students should come. The multiple students should be converted into exception and leave. That's the point. Okay, right. Anyway, it is accepting. Name Raj or Ram. Designation AC. Now I'll enter correctly, I'll accept. Whenever I entered correctly, it is accepting or not now, right? Okay. Now, anyway, you observed that. Just tomorrow I'll re-explain that once again. What is that? My minus, I minus. I'll explain once again. Just I'm dumping the code, run it, complete it, and come. Tomorrow, our class is only that practical questions. We are putting all presentations. Through that practical questions, we are explaining and coming out. Today, at any cost, I'll add the assignment. It is true only, right? Okay, that assignment will be there. Anyway, that school kids will get it, no? Holiday homework. Like this, for you also, holiday homework will come. Right, okay. Take a break. Thank you very much. So read all the concept of array and come today.
ఇది ఆల్వేస్ ఫుల్ అడుగుతున్నారు. స్టూడెంట్ అది ఎక్కడో వెళ్తున్నాను.